Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the Buya Show. Today I'm going to show you the simplest way of making noodles. We are going to use the Nala instant noodles chicken flavor. So I'm going to use 3 of them. I'm also going to use the soy sauce dark Santa Maria. I'm also going to use 3 boiled eggs, my coriander. I'm going to use coriander. I'm also going to use 2 tomatoes, 1 red pepper and onion. Welcome to my channel, guys. Please subscribe, share, comment. Thank you, guys. So we are going to start by adding our egg. That's enough for 3 noodles. Next, we are going to add our onions. As you can see, our onions are almost ready already. So I'm going to add my tomatoes. Remember, I'm using 2 tomatoes. At this point, I'm going to simmer to make sure my tomatoes are well cooked. Before I simmer, I'm going to add my salt. I have a teaspoonful of salt. This is because noodles always have their own salt. They are very salty, that is. So at this point, we're going to simmer. So at this point, my tomatoes are ready. So I'm going to add my soy sauce, 2 teaspoonfuls of soy sauce. Guys, please subscribe and comment below whether you like the recipe. At this point, I'm going to add 3 glasses of water and let it to boil. At this point, my water is ready, so I'm going to add my noodles. 3 noodles. And let it boil for only 3 minutes and it will be ready. At this point, I'm going to add my red pepper. And then I'm going now to add my egg. And I'm going to add my chili powder. So I'll stir. Wow, the aroma is so nice. And I'll add the 3 eggs that I had boiled. Then at this point, I'm going to add my coriander. And my coriander leaf and stir. And at this point, guys, my noodles are ready to serve. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe and share, and kindly subscribe. I love you so much, guys. So guys, this is my end result of using another instant noodles. My 3 eggs, tomatoes, soy sauce, Santa Maria, the dark one, and it's so yummy and spicy, a little bit spicy, so you can feed your kids. And as you can see, it's healthy for kids, especially for lunch, also supper. Hey guys, enjoy the video. Please subscribe and comment below whether you like the recipe. Bye guys, see you on my next video.